According to Mary Englebright, if you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it.
Hello everyone and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the Perfect Imperfections tag. I was going through some of my YouTubers that I follow, their playlists the other day. Now this was a while back. I keep a running list of my video ideas that I want to do, want to work on, whatever. And this was one idea that I ran across. I believe I found it on Sam's channel, Saamage, Samage. But I couldn't tell you for sure because I was going through so many different ones at the time. But I saw this on multiple channels that I was going through anyway. But I remember it mostly from hers. And then I also remember it from seeing one that Carly Bybel did a while back. So I challenge all of y'all to do this tag, because it's not an easy task. It really isn't. And this tag rather, basically I list 3 imperfections and 3 perfections. Now this is not, like I said, this is not easy. And it's putting myself out there more than what some people may want me to. But I'm being real with y'all. What I consider my imperfections and what I consider my perfections. Now, no, there is no such thing as complete perfection. I would love to say, oh yes, darling, I'm perfect. Perfect. But no, I'm not. No one is. But what do I like? Basically, this is saying, okay, what do you consider your dislikes about yourself, and what do you consider your likes about yourself? Because they come together and make up the woman you see before you today. Just like your flaws and your good, good stuff come together to make up who you are. You might not always want to think about that, but whenever I'm battling with depression or whatever, I try to at least find one thing about myself that I like. Whether it is my hair, whether it is my makeup, whether it is that I lost a half a pound. I mean, you can always find one thing that you like about yourself. My sister Gail, she's also an author, Gail M. Koash, she has taught me to be more positive, to be stronger. And that's where this tag really does come into play, because you can acknowledge your bad stuff, but focus more on the positive. So, let's jump on in here and get started, because I could ramble on and on and on about this forever. I guess I'm kind of avoiding, because I am a little nervous. This is putting myself out there more. But I'm still going to do it. Now then, what do I consider an imperfection? Well, like I said before, no one is a completely perfect person. No eye look is going to be perfect. No lip is going to be perfect. No hairstyle is going to be perfect. You are at least going to have one hair out of place. It doesn't matter how hard you try. But what is something I consider I'm more self-conscious about whenever I look in the mirror, or whenever I go to the store to pick out an outfit or shoes or whatever? What is one thing that I am self-conscious about? Well, the first thing would be my weight. I wouldn't say I'm fat, but I am a little heavier. I am working on that. But my weight is my first thing. And I'm sure many people have that same insecurity, that same problem. And that's just part of life. I mean, in today's society, that's just normal to worry about weight. Especially whenever I was growing up in the, 90s. I was a 90s brat. What can I say? But whenever I was growing up, there was a lot of focus on weight, a lot of focus on EDs and whatnot, even back then. So, my hair is getting in my face here. But, that's my number one issue. My number two would have to be small extremities. My hands and my feet. My hands are little, and my feet are just as little. I wear like a size 5, 5.5 shoe. So I've got what I consider baby hands. If you've ever noticed before in my videos, I've got little hands. I got small, chubby hands. But to me, that goes along with my height, because I'm short. That would be now my number 3 imperfection, would be my height. Because I am only about 5'2", so I'm petite. So I guess huge hands or huge feet would not be that attractive on a 5'2", girl. So, but that's my 3 imperfections. Now let's jump in here and end on a positive note. What are 3 things I actually like about myself? Now there's so many things that I really could do. I could have done 5 imperfections and 5 perfections, or 5 things I like about myself, rather. Because I don't like the word perfection. It's always a pet peeve of mine, because nothing is going to be perfect. Okay, number 1, I actually like my eyes. Yes, there are issues where my eyes won't focus right due to the nystagmus and due to my being legally blind. But I think I have pretty eyes. That's something. That really is something. And then some people don't know that I'm legally blind until maybe today. I am legally blind. So being able to focus on y'all sometimes is not the easiest, but I do the best I can. And as far as I'm concerned, I do a pretty decent job on eye makeup whenever I do makeup. So, yeah, my eyes are the number 1 thing I'm proud of. The number 2 thing I'm proud of, I would have to say, believe it or not, my lips. Whenever I'm working on doing a makeup look, I do focus on my lips somewhat. It's either the eyes or the lips. One or the other, usually. That really has the pop of color to draw attention to them. Now today, it's the lip, y'all. It's the lip. Bold, well, somewhat bold red lip. So yeah. But for someone that was born with a cleft lip and palate, like I was, my lips look pretty good. They really do. But it's thanks to my family and all the hard work of Le Bonheur Children's Hospital over in Memphis, Cardinal Glennon Children's Hospital up in St. Louis, that, I have the abilities I do today. And yes, I do have problems speaking sometimes. You'll notice that my mouth may go to the side or whatever, especially if I'm nervous. But all in all, I'm proud of my mouth. After all, I do have a big mouth. The number 3 thing I would say I'm proud of, or that I like about myself, is my hair. Now, my hair grows really fast. It is very thick, which I'm not the biggest fan of it being thick, but that it grows very fast, and that, I'm learning to do different things with it, makes a difference in how I feel about myself. I was watching a movie one time where I heard your hair is your crown and glory type thing. And that really is true. The hair can make or break a look. If I'm all glammed up, but yet throw my hair up in a messy bun, no, the hair just kind of ruins the entire thing in my book. But I don't go nuts with my hair. But my hair still looks decent, in my opinion. It still looks good. It doesn't look all crazy. It's more wavy. It's not pinned straight, but it's not kinky curly. So I like my hair. Now, if you want to see a Imperfections tag done on my vlog channel, where I focus more on spiritual, mental things instead of the physical things, let me know in the comments down below and I might be able to do that soon. But, you know, let me know in the comments whether you would even watch it. Because I do have a vlog channel. I don't really vlog a whole lot. At one point I was. But, you know, who knows. It just wasn't really getting a whole lot of views anyway, so I quit. But I'm happy to do that if that's something that y'all want to see. But today I just thought I'd focus on the outward appearance more than the inward appearance. Beauty is not only skin deep after all. It is all of me. My heart, my soul, my appearance, everything. It's not just skin deep. So if you want to see like a part 2, even here on this channel, give me a big thumbs up and let me know. Because I'm happy to do that. And also comment down below and let me know that you stopped by. So, and I hope that you join me over on Facebook, whether it's on my Blind Beauty page, where I do post the videos that I post, as well as different little things I find online, and also in my Blind Beauty support group on Facebook, where it's all beauty, all the time. So, you know, I hope you join me over there as well. And also, please join me over on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, you name it, I probably got it. And if I don't, let me know and I'll try to get it. So, but thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you hit that subscribe button, because I'd love to get to know y'all, and I'd love for you to have input on what kind of content you want to see. Recently I did a top 10 under 10 video, which was a between $5 and $10 items. I have another video coming up soon that will be a top 10 under $3, and I'm not sure whether y'all want to see a series of top so many from a different brand that's under a certain price, you know, because I have probably 20 or more items that are between the $3 and $5 range. So let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. My top 5 videos linked below are new Maybelline City Mini palette review and demo, what's in my purse, Garnier Argan Oil and Cranberry Extract review, get ready with me, easy natural drugstore first video, styling my short bob.